Severe thunderstorm warning from NWS Chicago here.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lasalle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Varna, or 9 miles east of Lakin, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streeter, Pontiac, Oglesby, Gridley, Flanagan, Odell, Tonica, Grand Ridge, Naplate, Boston, Cornell, Ransom, Rutland, Cedar Point, Kangley, Long Point, and Leonore, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 53. Interstate 55 between mile markers 193 and 210. Interstate 80 between mile markers 86 and 92. This includes Buffalo Rock State Park, Mathieson State Park, and Starved Rock State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning